Quick disclaimer, most of the following clips and photos don't belong to us, but belong to their rightful owner, so don't get butthurt over this. Hi, you probably came to see stuff about cars, and well, you will, but this is our first video, so we want to introduce ourselves to you so you can know who we are and what we do. So, who are we? We are Average Car Guys, a group of 3 friends brought together by the same interest and hobby, and who want to share with you our thoughts and opinions of certain things surrounding the car community. So, we'll start with me. I'm Jack. I'm the main creator of this channel. I own a 1965 Ford Mustang inline-6 convertible with a 3-speed transmission, and I love that car more than anything. My favorite movie is Dirty Mary, Crazy Larry, which had a 1969 Dodge Charger like the one you see on the screen. My favorite video game is Forza Horizon 3, no surprise there. And I got into cars at the age of 13 when I saw Super 8, which had a 1968 Buick Skylark in it. I also had a 1/24th scale model of a 1969 Dodge Charger, which was pretty awesome. So, now enough with me, let's hear about the second creator, Josh.
Hi, I'm Josh, and here at Your Average Car Guys channel on YouTube, I am the main editor. I love cars, and I love the Fast and Furious franchise. I also have a favorite video game, which you can probably guess is Forza Horizon 3. I also got into cars when I was about 12 when I played this game with Jack. And now, Henry.
Hi, my name is Henry. I'm part of the Average Car Guys. My favorite movie is Slapshot, starring Paul Newman and the Hanson brothers. It's about hockey. And also, my favorite video game is Forza Horizon 3. Taught me a lot about cars. And also, I learned about cars from the movie Super 8 when I was about 8 or 7.
We like all cars, no matter what type of car it is, whether it be a Nissan GTR or a Chevrolet Camaro. We like all cars except the Prius. We all had a huge role in the creation of this channel. I was the one who got the idea and brought it up. Josh became our main editor. And Henry, well, he just did his own thing. He just said he liked cars, and we've made him part of it. The inspirations to this channel would be in the description, as we had multiple inspirations. We will post content about top 5s, facts, histories, just anything you want to see. We will listen to you, and we'll make the idea come true. So hopefully that gave you enough information about us, and we'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.